Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today we'll be unboxing an upgraded product that enhances video surveillance's practicality, efficiency, and maintenance. Introducing the Dahua PoE 2.0 Switch Series. Here's the product box of the Dahua 8-port hardened PoE 2.0 Series Switch. You can see the model number here. The dimensions of the product box are 266mm by 239mm by 77mm and weighs 1.32 kilograms. At present, the entire Dahua PoE Switch series, which includes desktop, all gigabit, hardened, and industrial PoE switches, is fully upgraded to PoE 2.0, which provides increased power, longer transmission distance, and smarter management. Well, let's quit stalling and open the box. Here we go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, it includes a power cable, a power adapter, a quick start guide, and the legal information booklet. Here's the switch itself. The dimensions are 150mm by 100mm by 42mm with a net weight of 0.57 kilograms. As you can see, this model provides 8 intelligent PoE ports, 2 of which are red ports for high-powered power devices. You can see 2 switches on the back. PD Alive for power device monitoring, and Extend mode for long-distance transmission. Let's have a closer look at these new features that make the PoE 2.0 so amazing. Here you can see the red ports, which can support high-powered PDs. PoE 2.0 switches comply with the latest international standard IEEE 802.3BT and provide 90-watt PoE output. Breaking the 100-meter limitation, the Dahua PoE 2.0 Switch series can deliver a 250-meter long-distance transmission. It can adapt to many challenging locations and offers cost-effective installation. As I mentioned earlier, you can activate this model's long-distance transmission via the Extend mode switch. Here, you can activate the PD Alive, also known as PoE Watchdog. It offers 24/7 real-time monitoring PD status. If a PD crashes, the switch will automatically detect the failure and restart the device. This feature can save users time and avoid the hassle of manually restarting the IPC. Another great feature is the Intelligent PoE. Each port of Dahua PoE 2.0 switches is differentiated by priority. Suppose the power supply doesn't meet the power consumption. In that case, the switch will instantly detect the problem, guaranteeing the stable operation of crucial devices. Check out this fun animation for a visual representation of the Intelligent PoE function. The switch recognizes that the power supply doesn't meet the power consumption need. By using Intelligent PoE, it maintains steady performance for high-priority devices. The Intelligent PoE function automatically activates and cuts the power supply for the lesser priority device to maintain stable performance for high priority devices. As the animation showed, number 8 was evacuated to make sure the elevator worked. If you enjoyed the animation, you can watch the full video on our official website, link in the description box below. As I said before, the entire Dahua PoE Switch series has been fully upgraded to PoE 2.0, which includes practical features such as PoE Watchdog, Red Port, long-distance PoE transmission, and Intelligent PoE. These functions significantly enhance the utility of our switches in surveillance scenarios, making them more convenient to maintain. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our official social media accounts here. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.